Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up secure storage using Keychain and Keystore, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the topic. Today, we will discuss how to set up secure storage using Keychain and Keystore. Start with Keychain for iOS development. First, open your Xcode project. Next, ensure you have the necessary entitlements for Keychain access. Navigate to the project settings. Select the Signing and Capabilities tab. Add the Keychain sharing capability. Now, let's implement the Keychain methods. Import the security framework into your Swift file. Define a function to save data to the Keychain. In this function, use the SECitem_add method. Ensure you provide a unique key for your data. Set the KSECValueData attribute with your data. Next, create a function to retrieve data from the Keychain. Use the SECitem_copy_matching function for this. Check if the data retrieval was successful. If successful, convert the data back to the desired format. Now, let's move on to Keystore for Android development. Open your Android Studio project. Ensure you have the necessary permissions in your Android manifest.xml. Next, create a class for managing Keystore operations. Use the Keystore class to access the Android Keystore system. Generate a key pair using the KeyPairGenerator class. Specify the key properties like algorithm and key size. Store the generated key pair in the Keystore. Implement methods to encrypt and decrypt data. For encryption, use the cipher class initialized with your key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.